Hello dear students, myself Anita Parmar, Professor in Chemistry Department. Today we will start our paper with the 502. It is the Organic Chemistry and Spectroscopy. The first unit, the first chapter is the name, reactions, rearrangements and reagents. 3 reaction is there. First is Arndt-Istad synthesis. It is a step-up reaction. It is named for the German chemist Fritz Arndt and Bernd Istad. The reaction is the formation of homologate carboxylic acid or the derivatives by the reaction of activated carboxylic acid with diazomethone and subsequent Wolff rearrangement of the intermediate diazoketone in presence of nucleophiles such as water, alcohol or amines. Chemical reaction designed to convert carboxylic acid to higher carboxylic acid homologue. Means it is a step-up reaction. One more carbon is in the static compound. It is popular reaction for the production of beta amino acid from alpha amino acid. In the reaction, carboxylic acid react with thionyl chloride, that it convert into acid chloride, and acid chloride react with diazomethane to yield diazomethyl ketone. In this ketone on decomposition with silver oxide in presence of water yield higher homologue of acid or its derivative like amide or ester. The reaction: any carboxylic acid on reaction with thionyl chloride convert into acid chloride. Reaction with diazomethane in presence of ether convert into diazoketone, and on reaction with silver oxide catalyst hydrolysis by the water give homologue higher acid. See the example. Ethanoic acid is converted into propanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, there is 2 carbon is present. Propanoic acid, there is a 3 carbon is there. Thionyl chloride to acetyl chloride with the diazomethane. The diazoketone is the compound. With the silver oxide or platinum catalyst, we may get ketene intermediate. Ketene is a well-known important compound. By the hydrolysis, we may get propanoic acid. Reaction mechanism. In the mechanism, diazomethane carbon is acylated by an acid chloride or by anhydride to give alpha diazoketone. The excess of diazomethane can be destroyed by the addition of small amount of acetic acid or vigorous styrene. Mostly ketone are stable and isolated and purified by the column chromatography. Here in the mechanism, acid with the thionyl chloride, we may get acetyl chloride. It is the SN1 reaction. Diazomethane, it convert into negative ion, attack to the carbonyl carbon and give the intermediate. With the silver oxide, we may get Y rearrangement, attack to the carbonyl carbon, and the alkyl group migrate with the azo carbon, and we get the ketene, the intermediate, and by the hydrolysis we get the acid. step of the reaction is the Wolff rearrangement of the diazoketone to ketene. It is accomplished thermally, photochemically, or by silver catalysis. The reaction is conducted in the presence of nucleophiles such as water. We get carboxylic acid, alcohol, the product is ester, and the amine is used, then we may get amide. Again, the synthesis in the brief with the mechanism. Acid chloride with the diazomethane at the carbonyl carbon, and then the removal of the negative ion of the chloride, diazoketone is obtained. There is a removal of methane in the methyl chloride and the removal of the nitrogen molecule. It converts into diazoketone. With the catalyst silver oxide, there is a removal of nitrogen molecule to carbene and carbene to ketene intermediate. Ketene is important intermediate. By this one, you may get either homolog acid or the different derivatives like ester, amide, or amide derivatives. See, in the reaction with the H2O, the higher acid, higher ester, amide, and the amide derivative. Application. Well-known reaction for the organic synthesis. Orthonitrobenzoic acid with the orthonitrobenzoyl chloride, and the last one we may get the product orthonitrophenyl acetic acid. Very important materials for the organic synthesis. Thiophene carboxylic acid. Thiophene 2 carboxylic acid, it converts into thionyl acetic acid. Same if the furan is there, the furan carboxylic acid to furan acetic acid. Fumaron 3 carboxylic acid, it converts into fumaron 3 acetic acid. These all are the important substance for the organic synthesis.